Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here at Engadine filming some trains here. Should be fun filming here. Next train will not stop here on platform 2. Next train's a Bondi. Next train on platform 1 is a Bondi Junction service in 17 minutes. Now about to pass platform 2, we have a Kiama service. Front full cars is H34. Rear full cars H22. Okay, so the view might be a bit bad, but I'm just here at the car park in our Engadine. Gonna film Bondi Junction train depart in a few seconds. Here it comes. We just want to do something new, so I was like, hey, let me go to Engadine car park. Here it comes. Front full cars is T1. Rear full cars T104 XG4. Now about to pass platform 1, we have a Bondi Junction service. Not in service. H49 leading. H23 trailing. Waterfall service on platform 2. Train will stop at Heathcote and Waterfall only. Front full cars T77. Wollongong service H35 leading. H25 trailing.